everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all are doing great. PayU is hiring for batch 2023, 2024 and 2025 as an engineering intern. So I'll deep dive into everything about this internship, what are the Google form you need to fill and the details overall. Before that, if you are liking our content or it is helpful to you, then just like, share and subscribe to our channel that motivate us to do many more opportunities videos for you all. In order to apply to the PayU hiring engineering intern role, then you just need to fill out this simple Google form and submit so that it will be submitted to them and they'll send you the mails. So I'll deep dive into every details of this form. So please watch till the end. As you can see, it is hiring for engineering intern. So they are mentioning position as engineering intern, location as Bangalore, Gurgaon, and Pune. There are three locations that you can work in, and the duration is for 6 months, and it starts at April 2025. So this the first and foremost thing is to enter your name, then gender, then contact number, email ID, and your current location, and also choose your preferred location of your internship very carefully. Choose nearby location to your hometown, either Bangalore, Gurgaon, or Pune, and also please enter your hometown. That should be like city and state. For example, Hyderabad, Telangana, like that. You need to mention your city, comma space, state. And also you need to enter your overall 12th grade percentage and also your university name and also the course you are presently in, and also you need to select your stream and also your graduation year and also graduation CGPA. If you are pursuing masters, then also enter your master's CGPA. And also if you have completed anything interesting projects, you can also share your GitHub URL. And also if you're joining, if you can join PayU intern in the month April 2025, then just mention as S. And also give your LinkedIn profile URL and also write some hobbies that you enjoy during your free time. And also provide your family background that should be in corporate style. Please take the help of ChatGPT and frame a sentence of your family background and just paste here. This is all about the form. Just you can click the submit button overall here. This is about this PayU intern. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you out. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.